Greetings, brothers and sisters. This is the Sedona spiritual guide, Peter. Now, as promised, we went to the starport, and now we are broadcasting straight from the Pleiadian ship. As you can see, it's some good digs up here. These ladies are immaculate. I didn't know what we were getting into with this procreating with the aliens, but I mean, the men are beautiful too. I know things aren't looking that great on planet Earth right now in terms of selection of men, so you want a man with good sperm, good blood, good genes. Hey, start thinking about the Pleiadians, all right? We're swinging by the Diagnos residence tonight at 12 p.m. Up on the roof, that's gonna be the gathering point. And the latest tunes from Elvis, from Chuck Berry, give it a chance. For the good of your bloodline, for the good of your sweet babies. Yeah, they're gonna be blue, but they're gonna be so cute. We got some tall, slender blue ladies and some strong, strapping blue men. They're coming to procreate. They got love, they got heart, they got it all, ladies. So get here.